My name is Olive Santawana. Our company is Papa Pink's Baked Boneless Bangus. We started it as a special occasion in our family. So our business is very important because it's a husband and wife team. The challenges that I have faced right now, we need to make a lot of permits such as FDA, LTO. When I first heard the One Export, I feel so blessed. I heard a lot of MSMEs na natulungan ng One Export. So this is our time. It is an answered prayer for us. Isa po yung sa nag-influence sa akin, yun po yung meron kaming mga product. Alam ko na quality yung mga product namin, hindi lang local. Kaya din niya makipagsabayan o kaya niya talagang lumipad o kumalat globally. Gusto ko rin pong makilala yung product namin kasi po family business ito, own product namin. Gusto ko pong mapasok yung market sa US o kaya sa Asian, yung mga supermarkets na maraming mga Filipinos. And also, we created another product such as chili garlic para po sa mga foreigner.